Hello, welcome to this wonderful channel. Okay, so today we'll discuss. We are basically getting a response from the fresher beginners. Okay, they are facing the challenges. If in case they are getting issues, okay, so and we will provide the solution over here. So the issue is basically they are getting a locked SAP object is locked, another user is logged. Okay, SAP records are getting a logged, right? So in these situations, what you need to do? First of all, there is a one T code, okay, that is called SM12, okay, which is most usable T codes. So if in case while working your object is getting logged, your record is going to logged, or your object is going to log due to the another user ID. So we will have a proper solution step by steps here. So let's start. So you can see this is a SAP screen over here, right? So here this is the command prompt. Okay, so I'm going to here SM12 is the T code, right? SM12, press enter, right? So you can see here this is a like a initial window, right? Like if you want to search, I mean exactly what are the logged entry would be here in the SM12. So you can identify and you can remove it, but there is some conditions. Okay, we'll explain it. So first of all, here you will have to give the client, okay, and username. If a specific username, if you are having a logged entry issues, you can put it over here, or you can just press, I mean enter the star. Now if you have not, if you know the specific table name, you can put it here, or if you not, then you can put a star. Similarly, if you aware about any kind of log entry, you can put it over here. Otherwise you can mostly you can use a star. If it in case of most, I mean the number of log is too much, then you can give here something. Otherwise it will take 1,000, like at a time it will be display in one screen, that is a log 1,000, right? Let's see, click on search. You can see, you can see over here whatever the all user, whatever the user, okay, it is currently running the particular objects in background, okay, that is going to show you here. So you have to identify based on the user. Okay, you can see the user, what are the user basically logged, okay, due to your money object record, or anything object is logged. So you have to here find out. Okay, you can see here first is a log time, second is a client, third one is column is a username, then component. Okay, so many like dialog cons. Okay, everything is given here, like table name actually, and log entry. Okay, so depend upon your issues, you can search over here, like what are the, like see, if your user ID is going to log due to another user, you can check it here over here. Okay, the argument detail would be there, your table name would be there. Let's see, if you some record is logged due to some entry, okay, you can check over here. It is clearly written over here, like particular like table name is logged. So if in case, if you are identify the issues over here, okay, let's say particular object is logged due to the using by the another user. Okay, so in that scenario, what you need to do, you have to wait. Okay, do not delete any lock entry without your your approvals. Okay, I mean who that object is running, and whose name, right? So you have to wait it. Let's see, I'm double click on this, you will see the detail about that. Okay, you can see particular, like who particular all the detail mode is E. Okay, and who is working currently, this username is working. Okay, so and this is the T code they have used, and particular sessions and instance, everything is given here, and particular that is the table, okay, they have used, and that is running already. If you unlock it or delete it, what will happen, your another user who are that in that object or particular process is running, it is going to stop it. Okay, and it will be data loss, or maybe your data is not going to upload or download or whatever, depend upon like a process they are happening due to these log issues. Okay, so if their particular user has confirmed, okay, you can delete the log, then only you can delete, otherwise you can't delete it, right? So this is a major, I mean very critical task. Okay, so if they confirm, then you have to delete it. So how you can delete it, I'll tell you. Select that particular like a record, let's see, select it, and there is an option here over here. Okay, you see there is a lock options is there, so many things are there. Okay, so definitely you can delete it. You can click here and there is a button here, see, delete it. See, before deleting it will ask you, okay, like, okay, still it is used, okay, if you can delete it, data would be inconsistency. So recommendation is do not delete it, right? Automatically it will finish, okay, I mean once the process has been completed. So meanwhile you can wait it. If it is really urgent for you, then you can contact your particular user who have logged this entry. Okay, if they confirm, then definitely you can delete it. If you delete it, your entry is not available anymore over here. So then you can process, I mean your particular you know that your object, you can load the data, or you can start inserting the record and whatever, I mean depend upon the your. So this is how, okay, is going to unlock the, okay, not in unlock, yeah, you can directly, you can delete it, your lock request using SM12 is very most frequently used in this project. So before using, be cautious, okay, and uh, take your approval from who logged the entry, okay, then you can delete it. Otherwise it will have a data inconsistency error, okay, so might be the some major problem for your project. So please keep in mind while using this SM12. So this is how we have explained it. So please like, subscribe, and definitely you should like and subscribe this channel, and definitely share with your friends. So if in case any comment, anything, if you want to know, please comment me. We will definitely have a time to reply your comments. Thank you. Bye.